Reyna Villamor is a lady reporter. Go ahead, please.
That's right. If the Shakey's V-League has their own social sites such as Facebook and Twitter, hindi rin papahuli itong Lady Tigers natin who has their own Twitter page with its cover photo that says there that teamwork makes the dream work, just as Coach Oji wanted the girls to be active participants in today's ball game. Each one of them must take the role of problem solver and ball getter. According to Coach Oji, for the last 4 days, the team has been practicing at the Sunbedded Gym simply because there's been lots of graduations and enrollments being held at the UST Gym. And after today's game, Coach Oji will put the girls into aqua training, just as he mentioned, para maiba naman daw ang training experience nila. As I've said, after today's game, Coach Oji will put the girls to aqua training, just as he mentioned, para maiba naman daw ang training nila at para ma-experience nila ang summer. Therefore, the aqua training for them will serve as a training at the same time, summer swim for fun. Back to you guys.
And for ladies only yun, ha? Kayo baka... Kalahin mo sa laki ng UST na wala nang pwesto mag-practice ng mga to?
Well, kasi yung bagong gym, parang,
Hindi, panahon
isa pa rin yung korte, oh.
Panahon ng graduation.
Pero napakaganda
Oo
naman
naman.
talaga.
Tama.
Sus.
Such a great decision by
Yep.
UST because they were having their graduations in other venues.
Correct.
Might as well make a venue.
Yes.
Ito sa tabi ng EDUC ito eh. A venue, bagay sa sports, bagay sa academics.
Galing nga eh, na they hold the graduations there. Ano lang naman yung konting adjustment. At malapit
can
naman din na
imagine.
San Beda. Isang kuliglig lang
Isang
yan.
kuliglig. Nung araw, nilalakad lang yun.
Hindi, pwede naman talaga.
Oo naman.
Pwede yung lakarin.
Pero ano magsana pag lalakad ng UST yun. Pag walang masakyan daw jeep nung araw. In the meantime, that's down on the ground. It's 6 against 9. As UST beginning to catch fire here.
Carmela Tuna with that open hit.
Actually, it's our official outfit here in the Shakey's V-League. Serve and play. Chrysostom. Suzanne Ross has been doing that time and again throughout the game.
Miscue once again. Kanina, yung miscue nila, walang kumuha. Ngayon naman, nagagawan sila. Pero kung coach ka nga, kung papipiliin ka, doon ka na sa nagagawan.
Yes, kaysa
May
walang
pag-asa.
kumuha.
Mhm.
Suzanne Ross is just giving the signal for this one. Nice dump.
Oh, Crisostomo.
Always a joy to watch a Crisostomo tandem. Palo. Tunay na tunay.
Oh,
huli.
Saltones.
Huli ka.
Turn back.
Jessie De Leon, number 15, was one of the blockers there. Ito na naman one of those frail, seemingly hihipa ng hangin mga player, ano? Parang si
Para
Henson
Henson.
ng Arellano. That's down. This is a good one. 7-11. USD not simply folding up and dying here. They were off to a bad start. They were down by as much as 6-2. Here we go with Ross's serve. They're ahead by 4. Nice serve. Tunay.
Oh, Tunay trying to go down the line. Not enough wrist action.
That's so correct. Actually, nung bago siya lumipad, nakita niyang butas yung linya sa likod eh.
Oh, alam mo na eh, na magda-down the line, kaya lang, kulang lang ng flicking of the wrist.
Yun na yung magpapababa ng bola eh. Kahit,
Yep.
kahit naman sa basketball eh.
Oh, neatly done. Ang ganda ng pagkakalagay na yun, Yorkies. Soft touch.
And as you know, in badminton, it's all wrist.
Oo, yun.
All
Talaga,
wrist yun.
kailangan.
Mali ako doon sa game na yan. Pinapalo ko siya parang tennis at volleyball.
Ah, tennis elbow yan, tsaka masakit sa balikat.
Oo. Kaya ako nagsisisi ngayon. Tinanong ako nang nagmamasahe sa badminton ka, no? Yung pala siya rin, no? In the meantime, it's in the air. Tunay. Soft stuff. Perbano. Gitna tayo. Ang dali ng volleyball kay Miss Bali.
Yep, and Jengo Lee, only one stopper there. At least in the middle for the block, pero not enough for Jengo Lee.
Alam mo, gusto ibalik ng UST as we tackle you about Mikasa being our official ball. Yung angas eh. Yung bangis ng UST na we saw in the middle part of the 2000s. Nice set.
Pasang-basa ni Jeng.
Hinulugan.
Just too much property. Real estate.
Well said. Pagka sa streaming, nilalagyan
Oo,
pa nila.
hello. Alam mo, ang dami niyan.
Ang dami. Tapos sinasabi pa nila yung score, no?
Yes, the live streaming.
May
Hello
comment
to all
pa
of
sila.
you.
Oo, kamusta kayo dyan? 15 ages to count here. San Sebastian being very steady here. Nasa area ang bola.
Lalo na yung mga nasa office.
Oo,
It's so
yung mga
nice
simpleng nanonood.
Sorry, binubuking ko kayo, pero ang galing nakakatuwa lang. At least nagkaka-chance sila panoodin itong Shakey's Feeling.
Saka sa mga bata naman, hindi problema. Yung bukas yung marami naman sabay-sabay. Kaya nila yan eh. Gagawa ng spreadsheet. Manonood pa ng telenovela doon sa isa.
Huwag
Tapos,
mo akong na ganyan. Illiterate.
Hugo!
Malyari with a push.
Ortiz, hinampas. Wally! Huli ka!
Well, si Su, patayo pa lang galing dun sa depensa na dun sa last play, That's why hindi pa nakakaposisyon maigit. Itong si Su at binalik sa kanya ang block.
Sarap panoorin itong tumanda na itong mga babaeng to, no? Si Maisos, si Makulangan, si Ortiz.
What's amazing really is, ay sa Mainzo, siguro 2 years, walang volleyball. Diba?
Aste, ahead by 6, dropping the ball so simply against the defense or no defense of USC so far.